Now, when you get to the step where you have one corner in the right spot and everything else is wrong, and sometimes you will have to do it 1 or 2 times, but there's a way to always have to do it only once. So here's how you do it. Before you start the algorithm, actually look at the one on the left. So if any sticker from this piece matches these set colors, you will have to do it twice. However, in this case, so this one's the correct, and we look at this one and it doesn't have any orange on it, then that means that we only have to do it once and it matches all. So what you do in the case where you have to do it twice, hold this one on your left hand side. Now you have to start with your left hand because this is on the left side. So push with your left hand, left side up, and right hand push, right side up. Left hand push, left side down, right hand push, and right side down. And now it matches all. Now this tip is for the very final step where you have to twist all of these corners. So turn your cube upside down, and when you get a corner like this with yellow on the side, you will have to do the four move twice for it to be solved. And when you move this over and you see yellows on the front, you will actually have to do it 4 times. So that's actually a faster way to avoid doing it 4 times, but you have to learn how to do the same move but backwards. So for example, if we are starting with this one, instead of doing the 4 move, we'll have to do the reverse of it, but just twice. This algorithm goes like this. Turn the top with your right hand, right side up, turn the top with your left hand, and right side down. So just repeat that a few times to get it in your hands. And yellow is on the side, so do the 4 move twice, and now yellow is on the front. Do the 4 move backwards. So here's the example. Yellow is on the side, so do the regular 4 move twice, and now yellow is on the front, so do the 4 move backwards. Now on the front, do the 4 move backwards, and it's on the side, do the regular 4 move. So this last step can actually be done very quickly if you know how to push with your ring finger with your left hand. As you do this move to grab the next corner over, you will just push with your ring finger left hand. So that word is something like this. So this is yellow on the front. So I will do the reverse 4 move twice, and then push with my ring finger left hand and do the 4 move, and yellow is on the front, so do reverse 4 move and then do the 4 move. So another example all the way through fast would be like this. Another thing that can help is color neutral. for when you pick the cross. So instead of starting the cross on the same color every single time, you can start with other color depending on which one is the best to start. For example, red here has 2 pieces crossed off, so starting with the red would be the best. Or orange here, we can quickly solve these 2 pieces. If you have been using the same color for a long time, it will be hard to quickly transition into another color. But if you practice, you will be able to take advantage of very easy scrambles. So now we are going to get into a tip that doesn't seem like that big of a deal, but it is actually gonna help you the most if you are able to incorporate this properly, and that is look ahead. So for example, if the cross is done and we are inserting this one into here, instead of thinking about this, I can look at the next one and think, where does it go? And this one should go to here. So right after I insert that, I'm gonna quickly insert this one, and then when you see this one, you insert it, and there's another one and you quickly insert it. So that's a lot faster if you're able to look at the next thing, so that you don't have to pause every single time you do a step. So that applies to the first layer, corners, and to the second layer. So for example, I am inserting this one into here, so like that. I see this, so I can quickly start this right away. Then I see this one, so when I insert this one, I can quickly see this one and move it to here, and then do that again. And now I see this one, and then I can quickly do it. Now I see this one, and just do it. So that will be very difficult before you are familiar with all the steps. But if you are able to do this, and that will actually reduce your time by the most compared to any other tips.